In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest using GCash. We'll walk through the exact taps you need to make, and I'll share helpful notes along the way so everything is clear and straightforward. First, open your GCash app. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and using the latest version of the app so the interface looks familiar and loads quickly. Once you're in, look for the Invest option at the top of the screen. Tap Invest to enter the investing section. On the next screen, tap Invest again. This confirms you want to access the investing features inside GCash and brings you to the available products. Next, tap G Stocks PH. This is the area within GCash that lets you invest in Philippine stocks through partner brokers. It's designed to integrate right inside the app so you can manage your investing without leaving GCash. Here, you'll be asked to select your broker. Take a moment to read the short descriptions provided for each option. Choose the one that fits your needs, then proceed. After selecting your broker, you'll see several checkboxes. Tap these boxes to acknowledge the standard disclosures, such as understanding the risks and confirming you've reviewed the terms. It's a good idea to quickly read what you're agreeing to so you're comfortable before moving forward. Once the boxes are checked, tap Continue. You'll likely see a summary screen or an introduction to the account opening process. Tap I agree to proceed. This confirms your consent to create an investing account through your chosen broker within GCash. Now, review your personal information. This step is important. Make sure your details are accurate and match your valid IDs, including your full name, birth date, address, and any other requested fields. If you see anything that needs updating, follow the prompts on the screen to correct it before you continue. Fill out the form completely, following the instructions provided by the app. The questions are there to help set up your account properly and assess your investor profile. Provide the necessary details carefully and truthfully. If a field is optional and not relevant, you can leave it blank, but anything marked as required must be completed. When you've finished entering your information, review everything one more time for accuracy. Typos can delay approval, so a quick double-check helps. When you're confident it's all correct, tap Submit. You'll see a confirmation on screen letting you know your application has been sent. From here, just wait for the broker's review. Once approved, you'll be able to access G Stocks PH through GCash and start investing directly from the app.